Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to learn how to clean and maintain the Horizon 6 centrifuge. Cleaning and maintaining the Horizon 6. Your Horizon 6 requires no regular maintenance. Cleaning is easy too. Start by turning your Horizon 6 off. Then, unplug it from the wall. Your centrifuge should always be off and unplugged before you do any kind of cleaning. Make sure to wear appropriate PPE in accordance with your lab's policies. Use isopropyl alcohol or 10% 5500 ppm bleach solution to clean. Only the approved isopropyl alcohol or 10% bleach solution should be used. Any other substance is not approved and may cause damage to your centrifuge and void the warranty. Apply your isopropyl alcohol or 10% bleach solution with a cloth. Do not submerge the centrifuge in water. Dry your Horizon 6 immediately after finishing cleaning and disinfecting, and be sure it's plugged in and turned on so it's ready for the next use. Your Horizon 6 does not require any regular maintenance, but you may wish to confirm the spin speed. To do that, you'll need a phototachometer like the one shown here. Your rotor has a reflective strip on it, so the phototachometer can easily detect the speed. Just start the cycle you wish to test, wait a minute or two for it to reach its peak speed, and point your phototachometer down through the clear lid. You'll quickly get a reading. And that's all there is to cleaning and maintaining your Horizon 6. If you have any questions, you can always contact Drucker Diagnostics and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.